Hello and welcome to this Inspiration Clan video tutorial. In this lesson I'm going to give you an introduction to the Start Workspace area. So let's jump straight into Photoshop and we'll see that the Start Workspace area is presented. Now it will be presented each and every time you load Photoshop as long as you don't have any documents open. So rather than loading the Photoshop interface, Photoshop presents you with your most recent files so you can quickly navigate to your current projects. Now you can see I've got this winter vs summer PSD file already here. You can change this to list or grid view, so you may have like 30-40 documents here, so you can swap the view. You can also sort the documents, sort by last open, name, size and kind, very helpful indeed. And also in the top right you have filters so you can search for the name, so you should be naming all your files correctly, so then you can come here and you can quickly search for your files to make it super easy and quick. Now, as well as looking for existing documents, your recent documents, you've also got over on the left create new and open. So if we click on create new, we'll get the new document window. We can come in and create a new document. If we click open, that's going to open our Explorer, and then you can navigate to the file that you want to load into Photoshop. So there you have it. That is a brief rundown of the Start Workspace area. It's very handy indeed, especially when you have multiple documents that you're playing with. It's very easy to navigate and open recent files. So thank you very much for joining me in this video. I'll see you in the next video of this course.